Welcome to our guide on creating a professional author website. This series will help you understand the importance of having a mobile-friendly site, covering everything from domain names to content categories for effective book marketing.
An author website is crucial for marketing your books. It allows you to control your content and connect with readers. Consider your site's purpose, whether it's to share your bio, sell books, or engage with your audience. Your author website should include a detailed author, bio, book information, and a mailing list sign-up. Organize your content with menus and submenus to avoid overwhelming visitors, ensuring easy navigation and access to information. Each book deserves its own page with a comprehensive description, cover image, and metadata. This setup not only aids in SEO, but also provides a seamless experience for visitors looking for specific book details. Include links to major retailers like Amazon and Barnes & Noble for book purchases. This approach ensures your readers can easily find and buy your books, enhancing your sales strategy and online presence. Start building your mailing list early, even if you're unsure of its future use. Services like MailChimp can help manage signups, allowing you to engage with your audience through newsletters when you're ready. Blogging can boost your website's visibility and engagement by allowing you to share topics related to your books or expertise. Promoting these posts on social media drives traffic to your site and maintains an active online presence. Plus, don't forget to include a contact form. This encourages reader interaction, fostering connections, and opening opportunities for feedback and collaboration, which ultimately strengthens your author-reader relationship. A media page is essential for providing downloadable author photos and book covers. Include links to online coverage and a contact page link for media inquiries, ensuring easy access for journalists and bloggers. Regularly update your website with new content to keep your audience engaged. A dynamic site helps you build a loyal fan base and encourages visitors to return, supporting your long-term author goals and marketing strategy. In the next part of this series, we'll dive into choosing the right domain name and understanding the costs involved in setting up an author website. Stay tuned for more insights to enhance your online presence. Thank you for joining us in this guide to creating an author website. We hope these tips help you build a successful online platform to connect with readers and boost your book sales. See you in the next installment.